Hello, my name is Joséphin and my family name is Bastière. I am born in 1993 in France, in Paris, and right now when I'm making this video we are in the year 2020 and I am 27 years old. In society, when somebody asks me what I do in the life, I answer that I am plastic artist. In my case, that means I do conceptual art, or more precisely, art hyperbrute, but I do also drawing, painting and writing in a more concrete way. If you are interested, I can show you some examples. I start with the drawing. We have here a chair. It was to invite you to make yourself comfortable. This is somebody sitting, a water bottle, a fish, a compass, a rule, a portrait, a set square, and another portrait, the living model. The living model is a specific kind of drawing that I do. There are various examples. I go quickly, but I know that you can put stop with the video if you want to watch a little bit more the drawings. This is drawing by imagination. It's another kind of drawing that I do. This is what I call copism, and it's another kind of drawing that I do. This is drawing with color. It was to show that it's not only in black and white. Actually, in a lot of drawing I saw color inside, but I don't have always the opportunity to put the color. This is abstract drawing. It's another kind of drawing that I do. But please let me show you how I draw. Like that you will see in direct what is my technique. For that I have asked to my cactus if he was okay to be the model, and he say yes. Thank you, the cactus. When I show my drawing, it's possible that people tell me, oh, it's drawing in one line, or oh, it's drawing without putting out the pencil. Or it could be also, oh, it's drawing without looking. It's not exactly that. To explain my way of drawing, I will take an example. The example of a pianist. A pianist used to be on his piano. In my case it's the same because I am used to be on my paper and I know how I move inside. But if I need, I can always come back to see my paper. There is no interdiction, like for the pianist. And also I can put out my drawing, my pencil, or I can also make various lines. There are no interdiction. The idea is more little by little that I found this way of expression, but it was not with those interdiction. This is how I draw, to resume, and this is the portrait of the cactus. There are bigger drawings. I can show you some examples. It's a drawing living model, but it's also possible I do other thematics in bigger paper, like this one. It's abstract drawing with a little bit of color. This is drawing with cutting drawing. It's another kind of drawing that I do. This is a bigger paper with color, a little bit more colorful. One more time, we have here a living model. And this is the last example. I finish with the drawing. I start now with the painting. When I say I do paint, I am thinking about those paintings. It could look a little bit abstract, but it's really concrete. It's concrete because it's only background color. In this case, it's a white background color in a red paper. That's it. Here it's a yellow background color in a pink paper. A red background color in a blue paper. At the beginning, I wanted to put my background color in all the paper. But at this time, at the beginning, I was not having a place to paint. So I didn't want to put a mistake all around, so I decided to put my background color inside the paper. But this is where a question starts. The question of which form I will use to put my background color. It's not square, it's more rectangular, even if it's not really that. And those different paintings, I call them equilibrium. I call them background and equilibrium colors. And they are made to look at the color, to watch the color, to contemplate the color. And there are some bigger painting, like those examples. I finish with the painting. I start now with the writing. The writing that I do, they are made to work alone. But it's possible also that they can be mixed between them. Well, it's in French, but if you want to practice, or to start to practice, this is the perfect opportunity. This is a calligram where you can see the sun and the moon, and all around there are stars. I write about everything. Most of the time I have paper and pencil with me. Most of the time. It could be for the drawing, but also for the writing. And for the writing, when there is a sentence who attracts my attention, it's possible that I write it. It could be things coming from me or things coming from outside. For example, a conversation or something that somebody tell me or something that I read. But most of the time I exaggerate or I try to contract what I heard. And also it could be things that it's not say, so I try to write it to tell it. It could be also things that I want to tell to myself. So I try to write it to tell to myself. Well, I write about everything, and after those writing, they can be mixed together to make a book, like I show you, or they can be taken by random, to have a more random reading. I finish with the writing and I finish with the presentation of what I do. If you want to discover more things, I have some announcements to tell. I have 3 announcements. The first one is I have a website www.josephinbastière.com. You can find in this website other drawing, painting and writing, and everything is free. So if you want to have a look, I put the link in the description of the video. Second announcement, I have finished to write Universe Zero. Universe Zero, it's a book looking like that, with this first and the last page. And for me, it's the most important art piece that I made. It's a drawing, a painting, and also a writing. I finished to write it, I'm looking for an editor, but I have already published it. I have published it on my website. So if you want to have a look, you can find it totality in free. And there is an English traduction. If you are interested, I put the link inside the description. And just to tell you, it takes less than 15 minutes to read it. Third announcement, I'm going to make other video. In the next video, I will speak about the art Hyperbrut. The art Hyperbrut, it's a kind of art that I discover, and it's inside this art that I put myself. And everything that I show you, the drawing, the painting and the writing, everything's come from the art Hyperbrut. And for me it's something really important. I want to explain what is it. After I'm going to make other video, but I don't know yet how it's going. But if you are interested to discover those future videos, I invite you to subscribe and to click on the bottom to have to receive all the notification. This is it for the announcement. If you have liked this video, you can write some commentaries, good way commentaries. For example, you can write what you have the most like in this video without bad words, or you can present yourself too. Like that, I will know a little bit more about who you are. And if you are not used to do that, I invite you to try it. You can also write your questions, good way questions, good vibes questions. You can also share this video. For example, you can share to somebody that you already know, or you can share to somebody that you don't know. Even if you are not used, it could be somebody in the street, or your neighbor, or the guy in front of you in the bus, in the train. You can say, even if you are not used, you can say, "Hello, I have a video to share," and you show the video. Well, it's an example, you do as you feel, but keep in mind that is sharing who helps the most the canal video. So if you want to share, you can share, there is no trouble. You can also put a little earth or little like. Even if you are not used, I invite you to try it. You can also find me on the social redes. I put the link inside the description of the video. And this is it. I have only to tell you, see you soon for the next video.